Explaining number 50 in section 5 thoroughly would take a long time because there's 7 regions, but I'm going to go quickly and cover the basics. First, I'm going to add postscripts or subscripts to each of these 3 polar functions. So we'll have R1, R2, and R3, and I'll color code them. The blue function is R1, the red function is R2, and the green function is R3. All right, starting with R7, the area will be equal to this expression. A is R3, so that's the same as R3 squared. Region 1 and region 2 would be this entire expression, which is this definite integral plus 2 of these minus region 7, which we've already figured out. Region 3's area is actually just a quarter of a circle plus 2 slivers, which is described with this definite integral. Region 4 and region 5's each has the same area, and that would be this definite integral minus this one plus this one, which happens to be exactly equal to just 1/4 of that circle, which is the green one. Finally, region 6 would be 2 of these integrals plus this. All right, that's it. You can think about that. And if you'd like to ask me to do any one of these regions thoroughly, I'll explain it much more carefully, or we can discuss in class.